Easter is more than just a holiday, it's a celebration of spring, renewal, and fresh beginnings. It's the perfect time to refresh your home with decor that embodies warmth, softness, and a touch of whimsy. Whether you love pastel tones, rustic farmhouse elements, or modern simplicity, Easter decor can be customized to suit your personal style while still embracing the traditional themes of the season. From simple floral arrangements to beautifully decorated tablescapes, Easter decor can bring a refreshing and joyful atmosphere to any space. Easter decor isn't limited to just one part of the home, it can be integrated into entryways, living rooms, dining areas, and even outdoor spaces. Whether you're decorating for a family gathering, a quiet holiday at home, or just to add a festive touch to your surroundings, there are countless ways to bring the beauty of spring indoors. In this video, we'll explore 4 different aspects of Easter decor that can help you create a festive, welcoming, and beautifully styled home for the season. Color plays a significant role in Easter decor, setting the mood and creating a festive environment. Pastel colors, including soft pinks, baby blues, pale yellows, and mint greens, are commonly associated with Easter because they reflect the softness and freshness of spring. These hues can be incorporated into table settings, throw pillows, wall art, or even small decorative accents throughout the home. Using a pastel-themed palette creates a cohesive look that instantly brings a sense of lightness and renewal to any space. For those who prefer a more sophisticated or neutral aesthetic, a rustic Easter theme may be a great option. Earthy tones like beige, white, sage green, and soft grays can be combined with natural textures such as wood, linen, and burlap. This farmhouse-inspired look pairs well with vintage elements like distressed wooden signs, ceramic bunnies, and woven baskets. The rustic approach is ideal for creating a warm and inviting setting that feels both cozy and stylish. On the other hand, if you want a more vibrant and playful look, bright Easter decor might be the way to go. This includes bold shades like turquoise, orange, fuchsia, and gold accents to create a lively and cheerful atmosphere. This style is perfect for family-friendly spaces or homes with children, as it brings an extra element of fun and excitement to Easter decorating. Themed decorations such as painted Easter eggs, colorful garlands, and whimsical bunny figurines can help bring this bold and lively concept to life. Regardless of the theme you choose, the key is to maintain balance. Mixing colors and textures thoughtfully can create a beautiful and well-coordinated look. Whether you prefer pastels, neutrals, or bright hues, selecting a theme that aligns with your personal style will ensure your Easter decor feels intentional and festive. Love these DIY Easter ideas? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love crafting. Easter decor is deeply connected to nature, as the holiday itself celebrates new beginnings and the changing season. Incorporating natural elements into your decor can make your home feel fresh and inviting while also adding a timeless, organic touch. Fresh flowers are one of the easiest ways to embrace the beauty of spring in your Easter decorations. Tulips, daffodils, lilies, and hyacinths are all popular choices for centerpieces, entryway arrangements, and mantel displays. They add both fragrance and color, instantly elevating any space with their delicate charm. Another way to integrate natural elements is through greenery. Eucalyptus, ivy, and ferns can be used in wreaths, garlands, or simple tabletop arrangements. Greenery pairs well with both pastels and neutral tones, making it a versatile addition to any Easter decor style. You can also use potted plants such as small lavender bushes or potted hydrangeas for a long-lasting and reusable decor option. Incorporating wooden accents can further enhance the natural aesthetic of Easter decor. Wooden bunny figurines, rustic baskets, and reclaimed wood signs add texture and warmth to a space. Items like woven placemats, linen table runners, and ceramic planters complement these natural elements beautifully. Additionally, using eggshells, moss, and bird nests as decorative pieces can help create an authentic springtime look. Hollowed-out eggs can be used as mini planters for small flowers or succulents, while nests filled with speckled eggs can be placed on side tables or bookshelves as subtle Easter accents. These natural materials bring an organic, earthy feel to your decor, making it both charming and seasonally appropriate. Which Easter DIY is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Easter isn't just for indoor spaces, your outdoor areas can also be decorated to celebrate the season. A beautifully styled front porch or backyard can make a big impression and extend the festive atmosphere beyond the home's interior. For a welcoming front porch, consider starting with an Easter wreath. A wreath made from faux flowers, greenery, and small decorative eggs can brighten up your door and set the tone for the rest of your decorations. Adding a themed welcome sign featuring bunnies, eggs, or pastel lettering can further enhance the charm. In the garden, you can create a fun and playful atmosphere by placing oversized wooden bunny cutouts, colorful eggs, and outdoor-friendly spring floral arrangements. Fairy lights or string lanterns can add warmth and ambience to outdoor spaces, making them feel inviting even in the evening. For those who enjoy hosting Easter gatherings, setting up an outdoor dining space can create a beautiful and memorable experience. A picnic-style setup with a pastel tablecloth, floral centerpieces, and simple dinnerware can make an Easter brunch or afternoon tea feel extra special. If you have children at home, an outdoor Easter egg hunt setup can be a delightful addition. Using decorative baskets, hidden eggs, and bunny footprints leading to surprises can turn any backyard into a magical Easter adventure. For more festive DIYs and holiday decor, hit that subscribe button and stay inspired. Small decorative accents can make a significant impact when it comes to Easter styling. Thoughtfully chosen accessories bring personality and charm to your decor, turning an ordinary space into a festive and inviting one. One of the most classic Easter decorations is the use of bunny figurines. These can be made of ceramic, wood, or even plush fabric, depending on the overall aesthetic you prefer. They can be placed on bookshelves, coffee tables, or entryway consoles to add a playful yet sophisticated touch. Bunny motifs can also be found in printed textiles, such as throw pillows and table runners, subtly reinforcing the Easter theme. Decorative Easter eggs are another staple that can be used in many ways. Whether you choose painted eggs, glass eggs, or speckled designs, they add an iconic seasonal touch to any display. Eggs can be arranged in decorative bowls, displayed in clear glass vases, or used as part of a centerpiece. Some people even like to hang decorative eggs on branches to create an elegant Easter tree. Easter garlands and wreaths help to bring festive cheer to doorways, mantels, and windows. Garlands made from pastel-colored felt bunnies, wooden beads, or faux flowers can add a subtle yet charming seasonal touch. Wreaths made from twigs, florals, or even dyed Easter eggs can serve as eye-catching decorations for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Adding soft candlelight through pastel-hued candles or scented diffusers enhances the cozy and inviting nature of Easter decor. Twinkle lights wrapped around a garland or inside glass jars can also create a magical and intimate ambience, perfect for Easter gatherings. Easter is more than just a holiday, it's a time of renewal, joy, and celebration. The decorations we choose reflect the warmth and excitement of the season, bringing a fresh and festive energy into our homes. Whether you go for a traditional pastel theme, a rustic farmhouse look, or a more vibrant and playful aesthetic, Easter decor has the power to transform your space and uplift your mood. Beyond just aesthetics, Easter decor plays a meaningful role in creating a welcoming and joyful atmosphere for family and friends. It sets the stage for cherished moments, whether it's a beautifully decorated dining table where loved ones gather for an Easter feast, a cozy living room filled with soft pastels and floral accents, or an inviting outdoor space ready for springtime celebrations.